Are you a fan of die cutting? I have to say, it's one of my go-to techniques for card making. I just love using die cuts on cards. Sometimes we don't have exactly the ones that we need. So I've got a couple of great ideas for you to create some wreath cards coming up at the next Card Makers Success Summit using dies that you may already have in your stash. I do hope you can join us. It's 4 days. It's a virtual card making event. There is a ton of inspiration and it's all focusing on holiday card designs. But obviously, a lot of these techniques can be adapted to use for any occasion. And I know that some of your favourite paper crafters are going to be there. It starts on July 31st, but there is a kick-off party the night before. And the best thing is, you can join this summit for free, and the free ticket's going to give you 24 hours access to all the classes. You can pick and choose to watch exactly what you want to watch. And if you don't want to miss a thing and you want to have immediate access and ongoing access to all the classes, then you should grab the All Access Pass. And I've got a great bonus for you. If you use my link to buy the All Access Pass, I've got a class just for you, and it's all about making holiday cards using scraps. And if you grab the Premium All Access Pass, then you'll also get all of the bonuses as well as a lot of extras, including live crops and live card making events. You can find out all the details through my link, which you can find here. I'm sharing my link here for the free summit, but if you do purchase the All Access Pass, this is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I look forward to seeing you at the next summit. What are you waiting for? Sign up right now. Otherwise you might forget, and you don't want to miss out.